Teo, take your ice cube.
Trying to find one.
Okay, close the cooler. Okay, go.
What's up, guys? I'm doing a challenge. Not really a challenge, but...
It's a challenge I made up.
Yeah. Put an ice cube in your hand.
And hold it really tight.
Really tight. When your hand starts getting numb, it starts shifting.
Okay, go. Do it for as long as you can.
Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh, this cinnamon crack! I can't feel my hand. Oh, it hurts. Oh. Oh.
You done now?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Good job, Teo. How do you feel?
That hurts. Oh. Man, I can't even feel my hand. Yeah, you guys try doing that.